Yeah. Usually. Fine. My mobile is not perfect. My laptop is not a good mobile. This is what these fellows will do. They will control the OS and through that they will correct the charging port, mic. These all things, every functionality is there. Everything is switched to it. So morning I went to then I called all the practical lesson ACC and then everybody was the same dialogues. And then I went to meet some other people. And because my fund everything got a new connection, how much I am for and I have seen your message, that message. Yeah, I went to meet many people and then I was in the it was remote, it was burning. Not even able to walk, not able to sit, cracks, everything has come and then yeah, so then the mobile was not even turning. That's what these fellas now will keep in that position. So then they should hear wherever I'm going for, I'm talking everything. That's the way we will let you sit at home. So then apparently I reached a certain place where it's good for us. Yeah. So then after that and I came to that on Kalari there is in one photostat shop. And then the print out shop there only I came and I had to send some scanned documents. So then at that time only I kept the mobile in charging and then at that time only I have seen your message. At that time it was 17. At that time only I have seen message that by 5:55 or something you have posted that message. So then after that I have seen the customer message. Oh, people are, how there is no need for the format to tell how to treat and how that bloody bastard, I told her. She's a trained professional prostitute. For her, this is her business. And this is, you not only you have lots of fans, anybody will do much more than this. Okay, so they will come on to price now. And now in this critical situation, actually, do you know what happened to you? And I know how you was and how the Shiv Shakti connection, everything. And these fellas used to Vashikarana Tantra. That's what I am telling that don't eat and don't get into your that double strap. That's what in April 24 they made because they are that much they are blocking. And then they delayed that till my bad time should come up. Till that time they cannot over interfere. That's the reason. And then I know after April 24th when you Chuck in Mumbai, what happened to you after that? Actually these fellas they're that Vashikarana Tantra usually these all Tantrika Vidyoli these fellas are applying and they have common sense. These none of the heroes are bastards, they don't have any eligibility or capability to understand or what I am telling you. That's I don't need to justify these fellas. Okay, so what I am telling that only will happen in India. Okay, that's it. Otherwise take it for Italy. That's the only thing. And then so yeah, so they teach what prostitute is doing and checking this. That's what I'm telling that poison that get out from that energy. She will chuck even there are reports of something in Peninsula also she will chuck you will catch and you are not some king to make you price on the price there what you did and even the you have in your entire lifetime you have conducted to Bharjona Yatra. That also in the all the setup was when you entered you gave your Divya Darshan. That's the only thing you do. You didn't do anything. Okay. So we are eating with India's hard-working people's blood and sweat. That's the thing we are eating and enjoying and roaming around, sucking. And every year we used to go to Thailand and all the prostitutes you are sucking that and all India's common man's money. And your entire Italian family, everybody was sucking, enjoying and everything India's common man's money. So enough, you enjoyed enough. And what I'm telling that is that much only you satisfied. Okay. And you are not some supreme to do that. And what respect you? What respect and your recurrent noise and you should be cut down. That's what is required and what I was. My college I'm abusing only this much. What are the things you have done? Bloody fool. And what are the things? And I am not this kind of prostitute where I will get a chance and a professional. My parents are not like this and will trap all the men. She's an expert in the hotel business. She's all the thing. credentials. I am not that. I am an award-winning scientist. And the entire India is in my entire world is in my heart. And that entire thing, that is, I have a responsibility, commitment, and I am the hope of the entire youth generation or the entire common sense people. Okay, so I have lots of responsibility. I am not. My aim is not to please your culture of party. Then I have shown my sympathy for the past 8-9 months, bloody bastard, by leaving everything and culture of party. But at the day, you are utilizing my blood and such and so culture of party, and you try to grab it, buffet, and I know the time to think to take culture of party, street prostitutes. That's what that hotel business trapping ladies attitude, trap the people everything in the shop can be a little culture of party. Don't bloody bastard. It's their last enjoyment culture of party. That prostitute in your life you will never second hand. The travel makers in the culture of party വേശി ആയിരിക്കുന്നുള്ള ഒരു വഹിക്കാതിരിക്കുന്ന പാട്ടി നാണകട്ട ഫ്രോഡ് ആളുകളായി പൊട്ടിച്ചനല്ലോ ഇവൻ whatever enjoyment you're getting in the culture of party, you are like a mantamuchi. That's the only thing. Okay, so then the universe assigned Shushati means that's it. I know what to do. Anyway, where were these all respect pouring and pouring and all the values, godfathers, everybody were 53 years. You are like fucking any prostitute, any street dog, like alcohol and drug and general. Where are there now? So where were these all values, battalions, fronts of family, relatives, sister, mother, everywhere, where were they? And if I have come up and with my blood and sweat and I made you come up with this, I know you had, and I don't need anybody's service or any advice to surround the discussion, analyze and decision makers of Congress, and go and discuss your wife and mother and such a fraud. And if you don't get it tempted over much party. What I do plan that I am doing so many things on the back, and actually I am approaching mainly the fund things, many things I am approaching many people, and these levels are 24/7 behind my entire laptops are spoiled. What are 40? You should know that this laptop went into their hand when this first this Pudana set up in November. They arranged to key into this, and that one of these bastards I have given my laptop for servicing in Munir, and that the devil has taken my laptop and gave it to these fellows, and after that culture of party and my everything you want to call you should be killed on the spot. That is the treatment you should get to party. Treatment how to respect the climate culture of Asia. Jolly chuck, and I know that you are chucking only in the turn of the party. It takes a shame for my personality dignity. Never that everything I am tolerating for the that I understood the universal assignment, and also think I am daily meeting many people, and wherever I am approaching everything going, and everything these fellows are blocking. That is the again indication, warning from the universe system. Universe assigned one thing, that is totally will work out. That's the thing. Also this delay, I told that my thing is the Shukra dosha is there. So that's the thing. That means that is the reason whatever the attempts we are doing also it is not working out. Everything is blocked. Even your church that also getting blocked because of this. That is the thing that astrologer told me clearly. He is a very well expert, and he told that parihara, that puja has to be done, something has to be done. And they are saying for your Mangal Dasha, that also, that same thing has to be done. And these all are the Shastra scientific things. Okay, there are ways to handle the things. And you don't take anybody's advice, any advice and ask them to go and to advise their own family things. And they don't have any way, they are trying to control your life, and they don't have any systems. They don't have anything with their children or anything. That's the reason all the battalions go to habitate from you. Also, your activities are like this to control you. That's the thing. And your mother's activity. So that's the thing. So enough, everybody. It's enough. I know to handle the things. I am doing so many things in that direction. And you blindly obey that. And you come back, I told that culture of prostitutes, you're telling about the smiley party, you are any prostitutes of penis for you. It is a garden culture. character in a product. I feel ashamed that my name even tagged with this kind of prostitutes and my animal time brain for going to the year. So you kind of a culture of fraud on here. Even taking this kind of a culture, I took into my head, etc. The Shaba for my life. Then I understood what are the levels will happen and how we will live at the country and what are the things. And also one more thing that there is India doesn't need to sound like to make you suck to some this kind of carnival prostitutes and give to some energy and you will come and bark. India don't need it. Just with well educated, capable people are there. We are not to road and we don't need your charges and catch a part. And then your family business is not going to work out anymore. Pack up and go to Italy. That's the only thing will happen. And it's enough. And your mother also not capable of that. So you become like this. Everything looted and their world without any shame. Still, just understand, still here living the government thing only and everything, each and everything, eating, everything is happening. That's I have some shame for that. Then the some prices are there to make you how will you make you the police who are you Charapati and my 23 years of dedication I didn't do for pursuing you Charapati. You are nothing for that and that deserves much some quality. Okay. Still I tried my level best and you don't deserve that. So thing and you deserve this kind of a prostitute. That is the thing. That is what the matters. Quality. You have to but anyway, what are the things? And you don't have to put so much of dialect and it is not going to work out. And anyway, actually there's something that should come to you. But I don't know whether they will play around or something. Priyanka ji, don't. Anyway, so don't get over excited with my scoldings or whatever. But you should understand, I'm learning. I'm not even able to walk. Today I'm not even able to sit even. I'm just adjusting it in sideways until I'm sitting in it. That's the way these devils are parties. This crack is writing devil mind party. And then all the libraries blocked everywhere. Here, here. And all that from US it is last year itself. Everywhere blocked. And then CSIR everywhere. Then there I used to first get Ambedkar library. That also blocked. From last round so that fight is going on. And then that Indira Gandhi Center for Arts there after land. And that Jainpur Road is there. That was a good thing. It was near to Kerala House. It was a good. But there also this bastard has downloaded to make everybody in the network and live updating to everybody. This is what who wants to. I am not going to tell you and like Charapata. This is not this culture of propagating and scrolling at the people party. And then after that I was going to Mandi house in that ICSR. There also Charapata. That and last week only. This is what this bastard is doing. 24/7 hijacking Charapata is doing. Brain is like that. He is not even what I am doing. That's what he is not. Charapata, Kotani, County, the bloody bastard 40 street. With the sharp money. How come everybody want to get down to go to his lab that crack 40. 2013 is like kept out again and like a disaster became to be 40. And then Janka Banerjee, Kachara 40, no, not a bloody bastard. Kachara 40, India Mokola, waiting near Yampa Picam, Ninja or on the Jamakala in a church of 40 like you were party into us. I don't get you over exchange. She will do all the thing, by she or she's in the professional prostitute. She will pour you in chuck teacher and a party come back a bastard. Your life is not for yours. And that's the thing. And you enough sucked everything, that's it. Whatever I told, do that, that's it. And do you feel any shame, bloody bastard? And you want to respect, you deserve, give respect and take respect. What did you do, Kachara? So I said, imagine communicate with you. Did you ask that prostitute going back, bloody bastard, Kachara, sweet to put that? Yeah, I can Kachara, party, all these bloody chocolate frauds and making me to be any government Kachara. I'm not your plight to. and you do not have any eligibility to stand in front of me. Imagine, I begin my brain everything, culture of party, I don't know, crack, all heroes. You can't you adjust your self-respect for saving your relationship. Where is that self-respect? For you only chucking culture of party street dog. Overall they will want this what chuck culture of party shyness covered. In a family you want. I mean, now this is your business red multi. Your father alone became a reason she was, your mother was that much was her capability. Hijacking control. You know, you respect fraud, you then made me to commit all the hard job everywhere I came in the culture of party. In addition to that, then I tell you you're waiting in the hotel, right? But then change. You are doing the Karaja executing you. This they will decide that they will do that is not going to work out. Anyway, I know that way they were decided. And because of you fellows activities. And now I know to handle. I have so many things to do. My family things, everything, and with all the our cities, everything is not even take care of anything and everything. My everything, each and everything is foundation. Everything is leaking away. Everything is done. Culture of party, and you are sucking with it. More and more, it's good for culture of party, bloody Boston. You can have some enjoy culture, but you are eating that also from my bloody bastard. Culture of party, that any shame. If you all met it, culture of straight to prostitute, sucking met in the way in a matter party. Which is irritating that actually I am degrading myself, my personal again putting videos like this and that. But by seeing the machine stage, I am not able to control myself. And also the stage, what are the things will happen, everything. Also, Moti Amisha, be clear. And for some time you will be the ruined power, that's the only thing. And all the great to fraud capable leaders and get ready to go out of cancers. Okay, that is not going to work out anymore. And if it was enough, service everything. People understood. Better in talk to we can't give you any exactly. And this Gandhi family business is not going to work out. If you are playing so much, I know that will make and sure that all the loot out money will be back here. Okay, I know very well to handle that. What are the child, what are the frauds, everything I know that they still are taking that because of our universal assignment. Shiv Shakti, that is the thing, power. And there will be all the power karmas, there will be remedies for that to do. That will do. And now don't put anybody's dialogues on your sports. Going to do their sports in your own home. And the pushback party Professor wasting my time. So, don't go.